Shatta Wale abesre Darlington Adams SN Roma 2025 win there Opanachawada on throne support Emma SM family, that is Shatta movement crew no Darlington entron support and from unsupported the movement. And of Darlington and Shatta Wale abe making big fan. Omo making fan of Stonebwoy and you sure echoes our London, that is Independence Day concert and then echoes. Shatta Wale and Darlington abetwetwe Stonebwoy Darlington them say Stonebwoy ungrateful na one nante ye ana wo aha Penyah block media message say any DM over like video na da roma over subscribe button so na ba click the notification icon for latest updates aba kire wadwen e dia ma me e wo comment section eya no ahye video no na onua so etimi enya bi ahye etina Shatta Wale live streaming emu ana yes Darlington Adams join ye and say na they were vibing is a conversation as na omu discuss Shatta Wale ni Rolls Royce na odi aba na ehọ kwa na Darlington Adams eko ya tumi in fact senka Shatta Wale ni Rolls Royce na ama down there ahwe anko beda ne onko bewu kra
there is just a popular Ali.
This Rolls Royce there like Shatta Wale no buy am can you go 10 frog.
I get Roses a bit popular. But the Roses a bit popular. The Roses test style.
Who?
The Roses can play. The Roses can play the shows up, Charlie.
So if you go ship the Rolls Royce, so your price will go high.
I won't drive for everywhere.
Two people they come Rolls Royce plus you, so two people
plus the artist. That one. I won't drive the car everywhere, Charlie. The London say they go say they for fly the car for me. So me and the car will fly. Come on, Queen Elizabeth car they drive. Charlie, no easy. Hello, Thomas. Hello, talk a car we are going. I know.
I know. Say the car did there.
You make a show you something.
No, don't show me. It's okay. Because I now you go somebody go be watch the tie, no the tie go lose. So like a Rolls Royce too, in tie be $3,000 to one tie. Oh no.
But I know it's you. You don't have I spend ties. That's about.
I don't want them to know one tie alone be $3,000. One tie.
I see here or not. Most of the boys they for can if they talk they for can sit down and learn some sense more. No, so you don't say when they insult them. When they insult, so they first say, oh, maybe just they insult this. But so like, you know, Papa, you are the talk.
And go on your bill. What I say, just go, and you go die. Senka, this Rolls Royce and touch it down. And in fact, Unia Bibi Everton. And when I Shatta Wale say, 2025 when the Australia Darlington Adams ya, Australia nada. Say, on throne support. And from the SM movement, on the say, on Shatta SM Krana. 2025 in the Australian on throne support Emma SM movement.
2025. I beg, don't worry the SM fans for me. Support them.
2025, 2026, I go feel worry them.
If you see maybe something go off, you keep all 2026, then you come. We go there for you.
So guys, so make I support you to 2025 SM support.
2025, you support SM, we beg you. Because I say somebody call you until they talk to you, so we will beg you. You don't worry.
So you go before you go, you tell SL game way they Canada say make she love me before you before Doro than over you am. Come on. Tell one SL girl she dey Canada make she can love me before I go join the SM. I go support you for this year. Say any SM girl she dey Canada she dey love me make she come my inbox inside phone. What for where Doro
to all my Shatta movement girls in Canada, I beg you, this is my brother, you answer me. He crease small. The time they born we fall from military inside. You know.
Dabi. He bola car knock come away me military cheese car knock me. So it'll be different mentality.
I beg you, Charlie, my girls, go follow Darlington. You know,
no, don't follow Darlington. Darlington need one girlfriend, one lawyer Ghana girlfriend. Don't follow Darlington. Follow me.
He needs a loyal. The word is loyal. I beg.
You not be loyal where they go court to. Or make you spell.
I don't talk loyal. Why you do like I'm spelling no good? But me, you know doing. I know I am. Charlie, I don't ban like a bluff. You saw me. You take me. Charlie, guys, go follow him. Go cook for him. Bye. I go. Charlie, tire.
Okay, Charlie. Bye. Baba, this time around there, make I tell you, this 2025, if we no fit share bread, maybe you don't contact me again for your life inside.
Nigga, we're gonna break bread. Trust me, man.
This year, that I tell you, if you get show for Canada, the show for book, do one only for Toronto. Then I go ship you go Vancouver.
Did they work on something for them for me? Some promoters. Man, right now the thing that why I want, you see that thing, I will tell you back, bro. I don't tell you here.
Yeah, because the reason why I talk say they could do the thing, I can make I tell you, so most of these promoters they don't know how they promote team. You see, say if they bring artists, if he go play for anywhere go play, shut the place down. Because you know, say if they play for Toronto, people from Quebec, Montreal, all those people they will come to Toronto. You understand me? But the moment you tell the Montreal people say it go come there, no, they go shut the thing down.
Okay, una Darlington alive mo. Una get Darlington, una get we a lawyer. I already.
Now Arabi your phone no.
Your phone and ever. Be like if scratch and no kefe wo kwashiabu. That mean ko we get now una kwashiabu no. Walk with me of you. Shatta Wale, we ever give him casting. No, call walk with me of you. Well, Corona, we don't more you can snap it.
Yeah, snap a bear. I shall need to about Ramadan being able to snap me of you.
After that. The disappointed Lebanese.
Arabi, papa hon plan go can be that you are papa di match any pa papa jume pa no news asem America plan go papa na di ye jume when you need them
plan go here di
oh do that ma bobo na come do no care no bed
that is the chuchu body what she where best Charlie you see what you talk right now plenty people don't understand. Charlie, I get that one papa Jimbo to the party about Popo. Charlie, what you cry, Charlie? What you cry? We try to give a to give a club. It don't get no time for a young woman, Charlie.
Ben I oppose your call you small.
Yeah, add to this one.
So what you want to do? No. What you want to? Moku leave Ghana give you or Moku die. What you want to? No, so you want to do something? No. Make a talk. No, make a talk. You want to do something? Make a talk. Say Wawa Boku. You know they live life or what you want to?
Baba, if I buy car, you don't say if I buy car, be your car. Baba, if I get money, be your money.
You don't make it drive.
You don't go with the doubt.
You don't make your godfather deportee drive. You are go drive.
Oh, you go for that. Go for everything I get to be. You know,
believe you make deportee drive, then I know say go make a good driver.
Mama, if the rest of the money come, I go buy for deportee everybody. Everybody where you know say me I get go. You see my boys, my Zongo boys, so they can't. Mama, the money will come make everybody where you see say come around. Where me are from Nima. They can't chill, mark up. You go bet.
You go buy. You go buy Rolls Royce give everybody.
Baba, I go fi buy Rolls Royce give everybody in the next 2 years.
Inshallah.
Everybody. Oh, but I tell you something. Oh, right on my internet. Right on my.
I'm unfortunate. Hey, now that Shatta Wale partner, all part Joey say, all part Darlington Adams at Chelsea on throne support Emma SM. Now that Darlington Adams, no, what will be the impact of him on the movement? These are some of the questions, sir. I'm on for a cross in with. I be Busa Shatta Wale. Omun come on to us one. And it's on Betty Stonebwoy. And in the show Air Coastal Air London. That is the Independence Day concert at Air Coastal. Even Darlington Crabeka say in fact Stonebwoy is an ungrateful artist in Ghana here.
Not knowing, a lot that they do show long time. You understand me? So today, as I talk, a lot of matter when people start they call me, they tell me so no bad man, you know the force. A lot that they do that show long time before Stonebwoy. So I did that when they send me interview where you go do, where the Shege Gurugu, he they act innocent. So that be the thing where you pay me says, why you gonna do so? Then you come to talk say, it not be my truth, it not be your truth. First of all, you know say the show they go on, so you must not do any show at all because the show no be the show where they bring you for UK for your first time. So why if you organize show on that same day when they say your OGs R2Bs they do good give you, then they there where they go organize show.
You see, I mean, this year, I say I don't even follow those things again because, you see, they make the thing they look like we know be serious. Whatever, me, I dey wish everybody luck for the whether it be
Matter, you go UK, you did the UK or you know did the UK there?
My mansion inside, Charlie.
I go UK. I see, see, make I tell you something. You see that your manager, no? The day I go slap him, that manager, no?
Come flex.
I swear to God.
Right now, DMS teacher, he go beat you.
Go ask DMX. Me then you wanna fight for Newtown. How we finish him? Aziz,
that DMS is the control.
I don't talk say the control. But man, we did Ghana Kabadi some suicide. We will die already or something. No. Ask me about me. Go tell you.
Your blood hot. I take go. Come on, get the another relax. There what you were near Canada. No more dashing. Kakwe, me feel no oh. But why are you? As you know, Jamaican boys, they don't be you up.
Who?
They take collect money. They collect money.
No. The Jamaican boys then say make you can.
So no fan say na gbamoy. Right now, you see you already. If you stop the worry, my fast.
Camera will be an abo. No pan no fear.
No camera, just pam fight. Nto no pack will be a gemo, Charlie. Pam fight.
Well, you just go fancy. Money man enjoy. Stonebwoy enjoy Apache. Kabi ano ba no. Kalu.
Charlie, this SF fans are the year.
I know this SF fans say they accept you for SF. Why they tell them Pasia? The time we create SM where you did that time they wear that Chelsea nika way. Blue they work for.
Man, stop that thing. Man, stop that thing. Right now, I know they wear that thing again. Stop that thing. Right now, life change. Charlie, make we talk with money. What you scar? But me, Nina, the time where good the guy you got there. Charlie, I want come on. You be brother, you know where we
Shatta Wale, no be here go come talk this matter. Shatta, don't talk this matter for here. We go talk for back door. Baby, the number you give me, I dey call you. You know they go again.
Bad man, because of the thing they do that boy, I know they pick the now and they tell you. If you stop, if you support the team, this kind of thing no go take you anywhere. That why last time go fast stick you.
Okay, so because of the thing they do, where they call you, they pick my call again. What
bad man, right now the thing grow, he pass. Who better pass you?
Bad man. Hey, Shatta Wale, don't fuck around. Who they promote you past me?
Bad man, I know they talk about who they promote and they talk say the way they blast the people. Stop that thing. Right now, support SM. You be Zongo boy.
Zongo boy. You get problem. Boko Arena day that we go fight for them who could settle the score.
Bad man, no go make you take that nonsense and can slap me. Because say your one ball make us go hospital. Why? If you say me, Baba, if Zongo you teach me for. If you Zongo, so if I don't say me. You poor where you grow. We grow together. Bad man. Charlie, you can't be Tatashi. You don't get there, Charlie. Go. But I support here, Charlie. Bad man.
Shatta, make I tell you something. You know be you, Shatta. We get agenda. Why you know make the agenda come talk? Now they come to talk like bad man support the team. What be the plan me that you talk before?
Man, we know say since I go Jamaica, why you dey rush? Get the relax. I go bad man.
I see your Jamaica. I see your you see, I can't talk something. Ask the people for here say me, you buy the road for my come live. I no can support them. Ask them for here.
Yeah, yes, you make a show face. Make this a 3 me day. We go apologize to the past.
You there, me day here. Me I hit my hit go already.
Man, leave the heat. Man, leave the heat. They go make you get BPO.
Obet match that wa bene. Comments. According to Stonebwoy, show no, it has been sold out. That is Bulldog and Ebema that expose our children says Stonebwoy in the program. In fact, it is sold out. That is ticket in asan. But your track portal now moton adnoswa. You know, ticket and that's all my moton. And you know, we don't know as far as we must believe what Bulldog said. And I said, Eden Ayenya. Ospet watch the wajine. Our comment section. Aha, Penyah blog me.